Hello everyone, this is Miss Soumya. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. I'm doing great. Today I am going to tell you a short story based on freedom. It's called The Caged Bird and the Open Sky. Once upon a time, there was a little bird who lived in a beautiful golden cage. Every day, the owner gave her delicious food and fresh water. But the bird was not happy. Why? Because she could see the open sky from her cage and she wanted to fly. One day, the owner forgot to lock the cage door. The bird saw her chance. Her heart started beating fast. She spread her wings and flew out into the open sky. At first, she was scared. The wind was strong, the clouds were far, and everything felt so big. But soon she felt the joy of freedom. She could go anywhere, sing to anyone, and feel the sun on her wings. She realized something important. Freedom may be scary at first, but it's the most precious thing in the world. This is the end, and the moral of the story is true happiness comes when you are free to live your own life. Thank you. I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for listening me. Thank you.